Good morning. Welcome to Erica LOL Beauty and Reviews. This morning we are opening the specialty Walmart beauty box. This one is Beauty Box 2023 SpaceNK version 1. I don't know if there's multiples, but we got one. We got one box. Alright. And I like that it's in a tin box. I'm going to have to find something to do with this. There's a little thing here that tells you everything you're getting. Fall beauty faves. Alright, the first thing in here is a little, this was like $12. They send you an email when they're gonna have something different. This is Eve Lom Foaming Cream Cleanser. It says that a full size is $60 and a full size is, wow, 4 ounces. This is only 0.10, so this is I don't know. I don't have a calculator. Let's say it says 4 ounces. How many? I wouldn't even know how to do that if I. Yeah, I'm not. My head hurts right now. We're not gonna go down in that rabbit hole of trying to figure out how much each of these little things cost. We'll say 10 cents or $1 since the full size is 60. I don't know. But they're not worth anything. Let's be honest. These are foam little packets. This is Miami Beach Bum Hair Shield Reef Safe Conditioner. It's in a little foil packet also. The full size of this is 3.4 ounces. It's a leave-in conditioner that protects all hair types from damaging effects of sun, ocean, and pool. Ooh, $19 for the full size. This is what I need next year. That's nice. That's nice to know. I'm going to have to look into that and use this next year. We've already closed the pool because it was cold. Eric was still getting in and freezing. But I called an audible, and I'm the one who makes the choices. He's the child. The water was 68 degrees. It was time to call it done until summer. Alright, now we have Sand and Sky Australian Glow Berry Super Bounce Mask. $39 for the full size. This is not a full size. This is only 0.35 ounces. And the full size is 3.5 ounces. That's kind of cool how they did that. Okay, this is Defeat Dull, Bring Back Bounce with this Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask. Antioxidant rich. Emu Apple and Australian Glow Berries brighten and protect skin from dullness and pollution. Alright, we have Beauty SpaceNK Jasmine Rose Hand Cream. Scented with coconut, peach, rose, jasmine, and sweet vanilla. Full size is 3.4 ounces. This is only 0.67, and full size is $5. I don't know what happened to my hand cream, but my hands have been dry, so let's go ahead and open this one. I have turned into one of those ladies who likes hand cream, especially since I've been trying to do all this stuff with my plants indoors. Oh, it smells good. You could definitely, you could smell the rose, but you can't smell, you could smell the other stuff too. It's awesome. Like, the rose isn't overwhelming. You could smell the jasmine, what did it say? Jasmine, you could definitely smell the vanilla. And you could smell the coconut. You could smell it. I could smell the peach. Like, I like this. This is pretty good. It's not overwhelming rose. You know what I mean? Some of those things you get, and it's just like rose right into your face. Oh, gosh. Alright. Next thing we have is Rodeo Dragon's Blood Eye Jelly Patches. The full size is 4 of them. This is one set. Yeah, one set, 2 patches. The full size is 4 sets. Or 4 count, it says. So I'm going to go 4 sets, is what that means. And the full size is $39. This one has only got 1. It may or may not. It says eye contour patch, hydration, dragon's blood, hyaluronic acid, restores hydration under eye, contours with protective powers of dragon blood. So, I may or may not use that. It may go in a box. Because we are, you know what? I might do that. I might take this tin and put stuff in it for the giveaway that's going on. Might be a good idea. Just the little stuff. And that way someone else could use it. Type thing. Okay. We have Wake Up Call Gold Fatten MD Dry and Aging Skin Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment. It says the full size is 1.7 ounces and the full size is $88. This is 0.4 ounces. What is 1. This is 60 milliliters. This is 1.1 ounces. So it's a little bigger than this for $88. I might go ahead and give this to one of y'all so y'all can enjoy that. I'm probably going to give that to one of y'all so y'all can enjoy that. Okay, that's mine. Next thing we have is Patchology Mood Mask Just Let It Glow Sheet Mask. 1 count, $5, which is true. Natural glow with this radiance enhancing mask delivers perfect combination of pear fruit, sea berry extract, and niacinamide to boost brightness in just 10 minutes. Wow, my eyes. I need to figure out this. Anyways, that's what it looks like. I've used this before, so I'll probably give this to one of y'all. Alright, and last but not least is Lancer. I know this is going to be a expensive product. Yeah. I've had one of their products before. It was okay. It wasn't for me, really. The Lancer, the polish. This is a skincare method polish, normal combination skin. It's an exfoliating polish, basically. This is a 0.5 ounces, 4 ounces. So this is 1/4 of a full size. Let's go ahead and take it out so you can see this. All right, looks like that. 1/4 of a full size, and a full size is $120. So I can tell you what this one would cost. 120 divided by 4. No, wait. I did that wrong. So you figure this is 5. Yeah, I probably can't tell you. It's probably around $10 just for this. Let's be honest. But it's a polish, and I will give it to one of y'all in a giveaway. It says apply a small amount to damp skin. So there's a pretty good amount of stuff in here. I kind of like, oh, this is mine. I already used, oh, my hands do feel softer. They don't feel greasy. I like that. So I would say I paid $12, and this is $5 right here. This is probably, I mean, I got my money's worth, let's face it, because some of these products, like this and this, you know they would sell these as deluxe samples. Just saying. Those brands would sell these as deluxe samples. You know, one way I know, there's no not for resale listed on these boxes. So, yeah. You got your $12 worth. Let's be honest here. But, alright. If you watched my Ipsy Beauty video the other day, if y'all have decided what you want, if you all want those Huda Beauty products put in a giveaway, let me know. Just the ones in the box. The other ones are used. I'm not putting those in a giveaway. So, and I haven't come up. There was only a few answers to what to rename the channel. Let me know if you want to. I will make a form, if anything, if y'all need me to. But so far, there's a couple of answers, and we've discussed them, me and Jason. So we're looking into it. So let's see if we can get some more. Love y'all. Have a great day. Bye.